Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn what is organizational development, objectives of organizational development process and the benefit of organizational development. Let's start the video. Organizational development or simply OD is a comprehensive strategy for organizations improvement. It seeks to change belief, attitude, value and structure. In fact, the organization entire culture so that the organizations may better adapt to technology and live with the pace of change. OD is long range effort to improve the organization problem solving the renewal process, particularly through a more effective and collaborate management culture. Are beard defined OD as a change strategy which is planned organization wide, managed from the top to increase organization effectiveness and health through planned intervention in the organization process using behavioral science knowledge. Objectives of organizational development: 1. Improvement in the performance of the organizations. 2. Improvement in the ability of the organization to adapt to its environment. And 3. Improvement in interpersonal and intergroup behavior of secure teamwork. To now discuss the organizational development process. Lawrence and Lorch have provided the following steps in organizational development. Step 1. Problem identifications or diagnosis. Organizational development start with the identifications of the problems in the organization. A correct diagnosis of the problem will provide its cause and determine the future actions needed. Step 2. Planning strategy for change. OD consultant for transform the diagnosis of the problem into a proper action and plan involving the overall goals for change determinations of a basic approach for attaining these goals and the sequence of detailed scheme for implementing the approach. Step 3. Implementing the change. Since the organizational development process is complicated, implementations process are a key element of the model. Organizational development consultant play an important role in implementing change. Step 4. Evaluations. OD is a long-term process, so there is a great need for careful monitoring to get process feedback on whether the OD programs is going well after its implementation or not. This will help in making suitable modification if necessary for evaluations of the organizational development program. The use of criticism sessions, appraisal of change effort and comparison of pre and post training behavioral pattern are quite effective. If you find the video helpful, like it, that will be helpful for this channel. Now move on the benefit of organizational development: improved efficiency and productivity of optimizing process and enhancing the skill of employees. Organizational development lead to increased efficiency and productivity, enhanced employee satisfaction, a positive organizational culture, effective leadership and employee engagement initiative contribute to higher job satisfaction and employee retention, increased innovation and adaptivity. Organizations that prioritize organizational development are better equipped to adapt to change, the foster a culture of innovations driving long-term success. Better decision-making. Leadership development programs empower leaders to make informed and strategic decisions leading to better organizational outcomes. Strengthens organizational resilience through change management initiative. Organization build resilience, allowing them to navigate uncertain and emerge stronger for challenge. In a world where change is constant, those who embrace organizational development are better positioned to thrive and lead in their respective industries. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.